What's up, Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen headlights right there and your chrome bumper just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our Toyo brand tires. They look great. You do have heated exterior mirrors right up here, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle we do have a 6-foot box. Looks great. Got the chrome bumper back here as well. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here to haul whatever we might need to. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and we do have our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have your handle, another little handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats as well. The cloth is very nice. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up now. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the temperature outside and our kilometers there. Now we can switch that around to our speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting. Now that is controlled from right here. You also have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center here you do have your radio. So you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab. You have your info, ABC, and your presets down there. You also have your volume up and down with the power, your skip, mute, and all those. Audio, menu, and back buttons. You also have your tuner and browser. Down here we have the controls over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we also have the controls over our climate control. So power up and down with the circulation. You have your hazard lights there, AC and heat. You also have where it's going to blow out of. Traction control, tow and haul mode, and some storage right there. You have 3 cup holders in the center with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders in there, as well as you have a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Close that up, lift this up, and you do have another seat just underneath there. So it does seat 6 people all together. Over here we do have our glove box. Looks great, and you do have your owner's manual right inside of there. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have your handle, control over your windows, and another little handle here. Looks great in here. You can easily sit your 3 people back here. You can also lift this up, and you do have some storage just underneath with your cup holders right there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. That does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.